Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to add Uber to Android Auto. So do you want to manage your Uber ride or delivery straight from your car screen using Android Auto? So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Uber to Android Auto so you can stay hands-free and focused on the road. First, ensure your Android phone is running Android 8.0 or later and your car or stereo supports Android Auto. Also, make sure your phone has the latest version of the Uber Driver app installed. This won't work with the regular Uber Rider app. So go to the Google Play Store and check for updates for Uber Driver and Android Auto. Then update them if needed. Now connect your phone to your car using a USB cable or wireless Android Auto if your car supports it. Your Android Auto interface should automatically appear on your car screen. Once connected, tap the app's icon on your car screen. Scroll through or search for the Uber Driver app. Tap it to launch. Only the Uber Driver app is supported on Android Auto, not the regular Uber Rider app. If this is your first time launching the app in Android Auto, you may need to complete a sign-in on your phone first. Grant any required permissions like access to location and notifications. Once Uber Driver is opened on your Android Auto screen, you'll see your trip requests, navigation, and earnings panel. Voice commands like accept ride or navigate to drop off can be used to operate Uber safely while driving. And that's how to add Uber to Android Auto. Now you can focus on the road while managing your rides efficiently right from your dashboard. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.